Hey guys, welcome back. It is Bernardo. We not too long ago finished a live stream reviewing the SR570, the Think system from Lenovo. This video is a follow-up from the live stream because I made an epic mistake. I was reading some of the comments that you guys left on the chat. I'm not even going to edit this video. It's going to be pure rawness. If I make a mistake, hey, I don't care. One of you guys made a good point and it just hit me like, you should be using this DNS, and I said, holy moly, you are so right. I should have never been using 88888. I should have been using my DNS server IP address. So that's why I messed up. All right, so we're gonna do it for real, and I already deleted the server from my vSphere. I'm still using the same model, as you guys can see, the Think System SR570. If you checked out the live stream, I'm still using the same IP address, so we're good to go. Within my MDT, I still have the static IP record, or the A host record for 120, and I also have the reverse. We're good to go. So we're gonna do everything again. Again, I'm not editing this video at all, so the way it sounds is the way it sounds. You're probably hearing some humming noise, and it's because it's the server. I still have the SR570 still up and running. I didn't even grab lunch yet. I just want to get this out. So let's click inside virtual machines, create and register a virtual machine, and we're going to deploy an OVA file. Click on next. We're going to give it a name of vCSA, right? I'm going to drag our file here, okay? And we are, now you're probably saying to yourself, how did you get this? I'm going to explain that a little bit more. Now, if you go inside your VMware account, you are able to download the vCSA, which is the vCenter Service Appliance. It's an ISO. You are able to right click on it, extract the file, and you're going to get all these files. The one that you want is the vCSA folder, and inside there you have the OVA. Okay, you are able to install the vCenter Service Appliance as an installation for a Windows environment, but you have to understand you have Windows services plus VMware services running at the same time, so it doesn't work, right? So this is what we are dragging and dropping, or clicking inside here to browse to it. Press OK. Click next on that. We're going to use our data store that we use or created within our live stream, and we're going to click on next on that. Definitely going to accept both license and copyright stuff. Click next. It's going to be on the LAN. We're going to continue using the Tiny, and next on that. And again, this is going to be an IPv4, and it is going to be a static. IP address would be 192.168.1.120. Network prefix is 24. Network default gateway. And this is where I messed up. It's supposed to be 192.168.1.100, not 8888. Ugh. And then you have the fully qualified domain, which is this, btnhd.edu. And then you are able to configure the SSO, the single sign-on. We're going to go do that right now. Confirm the password. Again, this is pure edit. We're going to go inside the system configuration. This is pure raw. I'm not going to edit the audio. I probably made a crap load of mistakes of the way I'm talking. But you know what? It's a follow-up for the live stream because I messed up. And I'm truly sorry for doing that. I still haven't eaten anything as of yet. I'm not going to do the upgrade configuration because my good friend Ben Ken, why I keep on saying Ben Ken? Ben King, and also Xspiral Out X, truly the best people in the world. They helped me out throughout the stream. Kind of sucks that I wasn't able to see their comments. I have to figure out a way how I could see the comments. So when stuff happens like that and you guys give me tips, I'm able to fix it on the spot and not like go crazy. Miscellaneous, I'm not going to do networking properties. I'm going to give it the domain btnhd edu. Click on next on that. Yep, click finish, and it's going to start processing. I'm going to click on it. It should start automatically, and come on, start for me. It's processing right now. It's almost done. Should be really fast. I think that was the problem. That was the freaking problem. I cannot believe that was the problem. Yeah, so I'm not going to edit this video at all. I'm just going to render it the way it is. In pureness. Right now I'm on 67, 75. I think the only editing that I might do for this video would be like the zoom in and zoom out, so you guys have like a better view of what's happening. But I'm not gonna like cut corners and stuff. This is pure rawness. Right now it should start loading up. Great. I'm gonna click on console, open browser in console, and this takes a while for it to load up. Yeah, once it gets here, it takes a while because it has to log in and then start configuring itself. Once it starts configuring itself, when it gets to the part of like the IP address, it gives you the web address with 8450. Now the IP address that I gave it was 192.168.1.120, and it's going to be colon 8450. So it looks like it's starting. It's much quicker than what it was running during the live stream. We're just going to wait. Again, I am not editing this video. The only editing that I'm going to do in this video is the zoom in, zoom out, so you guys have a better view. And I'm going to render it out. I'm going to push it out super raw. Raw footage. I'm not going to edit anything out. Alright. So right now it's just a waiting game. Have to wait until this is done. Alright, so it looks like give it some time because the 8450 didn't show up. That's strange because 8450 didn't show up, so that's weird. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let's go inside our, now it showed up. Gotta be patient. Awesome. I'm going to open up our Windows preview, which was the same machine that I used on our live stream, and I'm going to close this command prompt because this is the same command prompt that I was using during the stream. Let's click on our Edge and let's type in let's type in that. It's already pre-cached in. Go to details, go to the website, and we're going to see this lovely page again. This is the third time because I had to do this 2 times. The second time was I messed up. I kind of misread things. I don't know what was going on. I really feel like because I haven't eaten anything, I'm low in gas. My brain cells are not working correctly. Okay, so I'm going to expand this guy for you. Go to setup so we can continue. Click on setup. Come on, into the root password. Awesome. We are in stage 2. Click next. Excellent. Let's give it an alternate DNS, which would be that. This is what I needed to do. That should not have never been 88888. My good people in the world kind of pointed that out to me, and if I have seen the comments when they were happening live, I could have picked it up and finished the live stream strong. But you know what? Live and learn, guys. Live and learn. Let's click on next on that. Next stage is the single sign-on configuration. Step 4, I normally skip that, and then we are ready to deploy. Awesome. So from here, we are going to do vSphere local. Give it a password. Awesome. There we go. Next again. Again, I skipped this. I never joined this, and click next on that. Basic information. Got the correct DNS server. We're going to click finish. We're going to press OK and see what happens. Let's see what happens. We're going to cross our fingers. Yes. Thank you so much for pointing that out to me, Ben King, as well as X Spiral Out X. It didn't hit me as soon as I read one of your comments, something about you use the wrong DNS and you 192 168. I was like, oh my gosh, you are so right. Why? I was using 888. Why in the hell was I using 888? I don't know why. Oh boy. So this is the farthest that we got, because in the server room on the live stream I wasn't able to get this, but this is a good thing. It's starting to work. The deployment process is going to take a bit. Right now it's on 5%. We're gonna just let it ride. We're just gonna let it ride. Again, we're still using the same machine. I'm not gonna trick you guys and using another machine. I'm gonna use the machine that I use on the live stream because I want this to work. Damn it. Alright, so right now it's on 5%. This is all pure rawness. 13%. We're gonna let it ride. We're gonna watch paint dry, and we're gonna continue. Alright, so it's like watching paint dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down my live stream equipment while this is happening, and because I got a lot of stuff that I have to break down. I'm gonna jump right back into once it's done and we continue, but I just want to do this like really raw, uncut version of this because I don't want to cheat, right? I don't want you guys thinking, oh, he did a lot of cutting, he did a lot of video stuff to make it look like he got it to work. No, this is pure uncut recording right now. And this is me, breaking stuff down while we do this. So I don't want to be disrespectful, so I'm going to step away for a bit. Alrighty then. All right, we're still at 60%. Right now it is starting the VMware vCenter server services. I think it's the services or the server itself. So we're just going to give it some time for it to just finish off. Now, I'm not trying to, be disrespectful. Like, I'm just breaking down the live stream equipment while, I'll do this with you guys. Alright, we're still waiting. It's basically watching paint dry. Alright, 71. Okay, it's kickstarting. Something's happening, which is a great thing. I'm like everywhere because I'm trying to break stuff down. Because I got a lot of stuff. A lot of equipment is used during the live stream. And it takes time. I gotta let stuff cool down, and once everything is cooled down, then I'm able to do other things for you guys. I have a crap load of videos that I need to push out, and this was definitely going to bother me, and I'm happy that I'm pushing it out now. And again, I did not eat, so I'm gonna grab a banana because throughout the entire live stream I was just starving, and I feel like if I had food in my stomach, I could have picked up that mistake, but I didn't. So I'm gonna chow down this banana while we sit here and look at paint dry. I wonder how long this is gonna be. I guess I have to find out once I'm done with this recording. Right now it's 92, 97. Damn. As soon as I start eating, it starts speeding up. Alright. Sorry. Super raw right now. This is just nuts. Alright, so it looks like we're done. This is our address. Jot it down. It is 443. We're going to click on close. Green check mark means successfully we completed our installation. How fly is that? What are you doing? Get out of here. Go details. Go here. Details. Go to the web. And the username. Wait, username. Boop. Look at that. Boom. Done. But we need to get into our console. So it would be this, but it's going to be pointing to 443. Details here. Awesome. Definitely let's launch that vSphere client HTML5 because I heard a lot of good things about this the HTML5 one, and it will be administrator at vsphere.local, and then my password. Let me make it bigger for you guys, right? So disrespectful. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not gonna deal with the license right now. I don't need to. But what I am going to do, and then I could just finish strong with you, finish strong with you guys, is I am going to I think I'm able to right click on it. Awesome. And let's do a data center. Let's call this BTNHD. Get out of here. BTNHD. Okay. Beautiful. And from here, we're going to right click on it and we're going to add a host. Now the host that we're going to add is our 192.168.1.1.14. That is our vSphere that we created during the live stream, which is the SR570. And we're going to click next on that. We need to give it the username to authorize it. So we're technically doing a nested what is it? A nested virtual environment. Click yes on that. Look at that. Boom. Click next. It's okay. I don't have a license, so let's just give it the 60-day. The lockdown mode, I'm gonna leave it as disabled. I don't have any virtual machines. That's okay. Ready, finish, and we are done. This is what I wanted to do during the live stream, and I wasn't able to do it, which is okay. It is okay. Nice. Nice. I have to change this. I think, I'm trying to remember how to fix this. I think if you go into configuration, see. Trying to remember where to go. There's a section for the logs that you need to change. It's weird that they don't do it. It's weird that they don't do that automatically for you. But trying to remember exactly where is that. Where are you? you. I know it's not networking. I know it's not virtual machine. It has to be, it's a logging feature. But here it goes. Bingo, found it. System log global log blah. This has to point to the name of the data store. So do I remember the name of the data store? VM data store. That's it right there. So we're going to go into configure, and within configure we're going to go inside advanced system settings. We need to locate that guy again. Where are you? This guy right here. Click on it, edit. Oh, nah, it's doing it. All right. So you're probably saying to yourself, what are you doing, Bernardo? Okay, so my vSphere client, my hypervisor has an exclamation point. So that exclamation point is the following: is this system logs on the host blah are stored on a non-persistent storage. So we need to fix that. To fix that, you need to know the name of your data store, right? Mine's VM data store. Go inside configuration. Within configuration, you want to go inside system and then click on advanced system settings. Now within advanced system settings, you want to click on edit. Now when you click on edit, you are going to do a syst log location search. The one that you want is this one, the global. See that little bracket? It's empty. You need to put the data store name. It's weird that it doesn't do that. So we're going to edit, and we're going to do, what is it? VM data store, and press OK, and something happened. Huh? Why didn't it update it? What are you talking about? Yeah, it should have been. Yeah, scratch log. Yeah, that's the VM data store. Yeah, that's it right there. Press OK. What's going on? What's going on? Interesting. Let's see. 192.1.1.14. Go here. Go here. Let's go to root. Log into this account. Never. Come on. There we go. Unfortunately, we hit an error that we weren't expecting. The client may continue working, but at least I think I'm getting that because I'm using Microsoft Edge. So yeah, that's Microsoft Edge is going to give me a lot of problems. So let's see if I could go in here and do what I really want to do. So let's close this up and manage. I'm trying to look for that. There it goes. See? And I want to edit this. VM data store save fell to something. That's very strange. That's the data store name, right? That's the name of it. So VM data something's browse it. That's strange. Manage account settings. Yeah, it's giving me that error. I wonder if I need to, let's see something. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa. Boom. All right. Let's go again. All right. Okay. Boom. Let's go to manage. Let's do is a search. Let's do log directory edit. VM data store. Done. Cool. Awesome. That fixed the problem. So does that mean if I go over here, let me expand this up real quick. Let's okay, wait a minute. Let's do a refresh. Let's do a refresh. So I fixed the problem. And there it goes. Boom. Done. Dunsies. I don't have that warning anymore. Now I can finally say, that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this is a follow-up video on the Lenovo ThinkSystem SR570 review / live stream that I did for you guys. The live stream was all about taking that machine, that 1U 2-socket server, and then converting it into a vSphere machine, which we did, which is this guy right here. This beautiful guy right here. Oh, it logged me out. Let me log back in real quick so I can show you. This is the same machine, same IP address and everything. There we go. Log me in real quick. This is the same IP address that we used before. I think it kicked me out because I'm over here now. Okay, cool, no problem. But I can show you guys right here. This is the SR570, the same one that we use in the live stream. We installed VMware ESXi 6.7 onto that machine. We installed the vCenter service appliance. We configured it. On this video, I configured it correctly. I made a mistake during the live stream. I put the wrong DNS, so it wasn't able to register the fully qualified domain. Huge mistake, but I made it up during this video. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Leave comments right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. All right, so how the hell do I end this?